An update on the Berkeley County mother who drove a van with her children inside into the ocean. We've looked into allegations made by Ebony Wilkerson 3 days before the incident when she accused her husband of raping her in a Myrtle Beach hotel room. Police there tell us the case is active, but it's hard to investigate right now because the two are in Florida. Our Sujatha Jan takes a look at how our state handles rape within marriage.
Criminal defense attorney Dale Cobb says an accusation of rape in a marriage adds complexity to a case. In South Carolina, it's called spousal sexual battery and falls under the statute of criminal sexual conduct.
Unless there is an allegation of actual abuse or aggravation or violence, then there probably would not be a charge of criminal sexual conduct. There are other statutes that may apply.
There are 3 degrees of spousal sexual battery. First degree carries a maximum 30-year sentence, second degree 20 years, and third degree 10. Cobb says the degrees depend on whether force of a weapon was used, the size of the person, and if violence was actually used or just threatened.
If she refused him and he, despite that, he beat her, if he beat her with his fist, if he beat her with a club, if he used some sort of a weapon despite her protestations, then yes, it's certainly possible that he could be convicted of criminal sexual conduct in the first or second degree.
He says cases involving married couples are also more challenging to prosecute.
It's much more difficult to prove because people are going to not want to invade the bedroom, so to speak. They're not going to want to invade the province of a husband and wife's marital relationship.
Cobb says a spouse may have to show there was a pattern of emotional and psychological abuse before the physical assault.
She's going to probably have to prove either by physical evidence or by other manifestations, other witnesses. Had she talked to other people about these problems? Had she been to a physician? Had she had to seek medical attention otherwise? Or is it just her word?
If someone is convicted of spousal sexual battery, there is no parole and 85% of the sentence must be served. Debbie.